Hi, welcome to URS Cookbook. Today I am going to show you how to make vegetarian lasagna. For this I am going to use lasagna sheets from this pan. Let's cook lasagna sheets in the boiling water. Let's add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon olive oil. We have to add oil so that the sheets won't stick together. Now let's add these sheets one at a time. I took 6 lasagna sheets. Let's cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes or until it becomes soft. Then we can drain the water. After draining water, rinse it in cold water so that it won't stick together. Take it out gently and keep it aside. Now let's heat the pan and add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Let's cook the vegetables. First let's add in 1 big onion nicely chopped. Let's cook this for a minute. Now I am adding in chopped carrots. I took 3 carrots for this. Let's cook this for 2 minutes. Let's add in nicely chopped capsicum. For this I took 1 whole capsicum. Add in 1/4 teaspoon salt and let's cook this for 2 minutes. If you want, you can add in zucchini, spinach, whatever vegetable that you like, you can add in. After 2 minutes, we can switch off the flame and let's keep this aside. Let's prepare the white sauce. For that I am taking 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's keep it at medium flame. Butter is melted. Let's add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and let's cook this for a minute. Now let's add in 2 cups of milk. We have to add milk gradually. Stir constantly. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sauce is becoming slightly thick. At this point we can add in mozzarella cheese. I took 7 tablespoons of cheese. If you are a cheese lover, you can add in more cheese, and if you don't want more cheese, then you can reduce the amount of cheese. You can adjust according to your taste. Let's cook this for a minute. Look at the consistency. It has become thick now, thick and smooth. Let's switch off the flame and let's keep this aside. First let's grease the oven safe dish with butter to do the layers, and then let's preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's take 3 tablespoons of traditional pasta sauce and spread it evenly. Now let's place the lasagna sheet on top. The sheet is too long, so let's trim it. Place one more sheet. Again, let's add in pasta sauce and let's spread it out evenly. After spreading the sauce evenly, let's add in the vegetables. Now that the vegetables have been spread, let's add in the white sauce and spread evenly. Let's repeat the procedure: sheets, pasta sauce, vegetables and white sauce. I made one more layer. I used up all the remaining filling ingredients. Let's cover this loosely with the aluminum foil and let's place it in the oven and let's bake this for about 20 minutes. Now it's already 20 minutes. Let's remove the aluminum foil. bake for another 10 minutes. It's already 10 minutes. Let's take it out from the oven now. Let's allow this to set for 10 minutes and then we can cut and serve. Cheesy, yummy lasagna is ready.